everyone. Welcome back to Let's Talk Real Estate with Marjorie and Nisha. Thank you so much for coming back every Wednesday to get the tips on real estate and mortgages. So Marjorie, we have been hearing this rumor that on June 1st, the stress test interest rate is going to go up from 4.79 to 5.25. So please run us through, what is a stress test?
Hi, Nisha. Yes, that's a good question. And it can seem a little bit confusing, the term of the stress test for a lot of people who don't have a little experience in the financial sector. But it's quite common phase that we use in the financial institutions and the bank. So basically, the stress test is a system of predicting the worst case scenario when it's coming to apply for a loan or for a mortgage. When it's come to mortgage, the stress test consider the fact that the interest rate may raise by time. So you never know if the interest rate is going to increase or it's going to stay the same. So if you need to renew your mortgage, when it comes to renewal, it would be good if you have predict already that the stress test is the stress test predict that, so you don't get you don't have any financial stress at the moment of renewing your mortgage.
Oh, so why do we need it?
The stress test may seem unnecessary for a lot of people, but in the but they're especially helpful. Like I said before, they are designed to protect everyday people wanting to make the use of financial service like loans and mortgages. They help you to figure out whatever you will be able to afford and pay off the money that you borrow, even if the interest rate go up. Knowing in advance that you are able to pay that mortgage is very extremely helpful.
So would you be able to give us some examples of a stress test so that way it's easier for someone to understand how exactly it works?
Yes, of course. Let's assume that you are looking to buy a home or refinance your existing mortgage, and your income is $65,000 a year today. Okay, so you need around $300,000. Today, the interest rate is, let's assume that is 1.99%, and it's a 5-year fixed rate. With the stress test that we have today at 4.79%, you need to qualify for at $1,270 to date. Okay, on June 1st, if the stress test is being approved, the same mortgage you will have to qualify at 5.25%. You will need to qualify at $1,709. That will be an increase of $500 a month. Yes, it is. Wow. So what mean that $65,000 that you will have, that you are making today is not good anymore to qualify for the $300,000 mortgage. So now you need to have, you need to make around $69,000 a year to qualify for the $300,000 mortgage. Yeah, that will be something that we need to consider when we are looking to find a mortgage. So I will encourage everyone to don't go beyond whatever they can spend. And the last time we talk about the bidding war that we have, and people actually are paying more for their houses. So if the stress test come in place on June 1st this year, that will be affect a lot of the borrowers who are going to renew in 5 years from now, because they qualify at 4.79. So now after June 1st, they will have to qualify at 5.25. So that's an eye opening for everyone. So.
Wow, Marjorie, that's a lot to think about. And I think all of you out there must be thinking the same thing. So let's make sure that we're taking the advice of our financial advisors like Marjorie. So you can give us a call. You can see the number at the bottom there, and come and see us again next week Wednesday for an amazing topic. We'll be sending out another small video, hopefully Friday or Monday, for you to see what our next topic is. Hope to see you there.
Thank you so much.
Don't forget to press the subscribe button, like and comment on our videos. Thank you. Take care.